Hi writers, this is your Monday morning book marketing minute with Megan. This week's suggestion is the word that I would love to see eliminated out of authors' vocabulary when they are searching for professional publishing support. I follow a bunch of different Facebook groups. We get calls and emails about this with people using that word affordable. I am looking for an affordable editor. I am looking for affordable book publishing services. Now, there are three reasons that I don't think that people should be using that word affordable when they're looking to get support. The first reason being, affordable is a sliding scale for people. What is affordable for me is going to be a different number for you perhaps. Affordable for some people might be $25 an hour. Affordable for someone else might be $75 an hour. So you're actually not helping your cause by putting affordable into that search term or when you're looking for referrals out there, because looking for an affordable editor doesn't narrow that down because it means different things to different people. The second reason is that affordability in the public space also can translate to that word cheap. And I don't know a professional publishing service, a professional book editor, who ever actually feels that their services are cheap. So when you say you're looking for an affordable editor, you might actually not even have people who cost $25 an hour applying for the position because they don't believe that they are affordable. They actually believe they're charging what they're worth. So you might be actually eliminating people out of the opportunity because they don't see themselves as cheap or affordable. The reason number three is that when you put that word, I'm looking for affordable or cheap, people who are looking at your book online might feel that that's how you value your work. You're looking for someone cheap to help you. You're looking for someone who's lower cost than somebody else. So I wouldn't want you to ever put that information out into the world that you see your book as something that only deserves something affordable. So rather, the solution to all of this, eliminate that word affordable from your vocabulary and put forward something specific with details. I'm looking for a nonfiction editor who specializes in a women's narrative or women's voices. Be more specific and you will get somebody specific who is right for the job and doesn't do your reputation any harm either. That's all I've got for you today. Drop out that affordability language in your public presentation of things, and don't let anyone else decide for you what is affordable or not, because you're the only one who knows that. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.